Hi, good morning. My name is Rio. I'm an endodontist from Jakarta. How are you guys? I hope that you still have endo like I do, because today I am going to tell you a story of a single visit endodontic treatment which was done in mandibular third molar. The tooth is supposed to be extracted, but we decided to retain it instead. So what's so special about this case? This case had a very canal curvature, so I need to face the difficulties of navigating my files from the coronal to apical, facing the severe canal curvature, not only the mesial canal, but also the distal canal. The mesial root canal is curved distally and the distal root canal is curved mesially. So difficult, isn't it? And after 17 months follow-up, we can see a bone regeneration exists from the X-ray. It means that my disinfection strategies, which was done 16 months prior, was successful. Thanks God. So guys, I hope that this video is useful for you, particularly when you are dealing with such cases. And if you have any other question, please send your question to the comment section below, or just send your question to my Instagram account, because I will reply your DM as soon as possible from my phone. See you in my next clinical case report. Stay happy, stay super, stay awesome, and stay with me in this YouTube channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. God bless you all. Bye-bye.